Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a reversible moody octopus. It is much easier than you might think. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. To get started, you're going to need some worsted weighted yarn. I'm using Premier's Just Yarn in the colors Seagrass and Blue. Start with a magic ring, a chain of 1, and add 6 single crochets to the ring. Then close the ring. Use a stitch marker. I like to use my yarn end for that. Now crochet 2 single crochets per stitch all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Now go ahead and do this all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then an increase, so 2 single crochets, and go ahead and do this all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following. Go ahead and do this all the way around. In the following round, crochet 1 single crochet for the next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Then go ahead and repeat that all the way around. In the next round, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Now go ahead and do this all the way around. In the following round, 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, and then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Go ahead and do this all the way around. Next, crochet 1 single crochet per stitch for 10 rounds. Now we're going to add the tentacles. So you're going to chain 8, then starting from the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet per chain. Now slip stitch to the next stitch, and that's on the round here. Then slip stitch again to the following stitch and turn. Ignore the 2 slip stitches. Now 1 single crochet per stitch until the second to the last stitch. And the 2 stitches right here in the corner, ignore that skipped stitch though. There's a skipped stitch from the previous round. Okay, so ignore that one. So you're going to crochet in the last stitch right here. You're going to crochet 2 single crochets. Then there's that, ignore that one. And in the next one, which is a regular stitch, you're going to crochet 2 single crochets. Now in the rest of the row right here, just 1 single crochet per stitch. Now slip stitch to the next stitch over on the ring, slip stitch again, and turn. Ignore the 2 slip stitches, go into the stitch that it just made a single crochet, so 1 single crochet in each stitch until you hit that increase. So you made 6 single crochets, so 1 per stitch. And then the next one, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet. The following stitch is 2 single crochets. The next one is 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets in the following. And now 1 single crochet per stitch until the end. Once you're done, slip stitch 4 stitches over and repeat the process until you have 8 tentacles hanging down. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. You're going to make a second one using a different color, which is blue. So we have 2 of them. Then you need to decide which one is going to be the happy face and which one is going to be the sad face. So I'm going to pick the lighter one for the happy face, and now we're going to add the eyes. Now you're going to add the mouth. So for the happy one, you're going to pull your yarn through, go evenly across so you're coming out roughly at the same point. Then in the center, just about 1 row below, insert your needle and then go back in, but around here. So first I went around it, then I'm going back in the same spot and pulling through until I have a happy face. Now you can tie it off in the back, just don't pull too tight. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side, but the mouth needs to be upside down. Now you're going to take some stuffing and put it inside. You won't need much, just a little bit. This is still barely anything. And you're going to put the other one inside such that the eyes are on the opposite side. So we have eyes here, and then we have the other eyes there. So the back here they don't touch each other on the other side. You're going to put this in here, push it down, and align the tentacles with each other. And now you're going to start sewing this together. When you sew this together, you're going to use the mattress stitch or some kind of other stitch to sew them together. I'm going to use the mattress stitch. So the mattress stitch is done in a way where you hold this together like so, and you're going to go back and forth between the 2 pieces together. So go in and out on one stitch, then go to the other side and go in and out of one stitch over there, and then pull. You're going to do this all the way around, and then almost when you're finished, you're going to stuff a little bit more stuffing inside here so it's not super flat. You can also start stuffing a little bit here in the middle as you go around it, so it's also not super flat, and then it has a little bit more stuffing. Now you do this all the way around for all the tentacles until it's all sewn together. And once you're done and you sewed it all on, it may take a little bit, so be patient. Then it's going to look like this. So you can now flip it back and forth between the 2 sides to have a moody octopus, smiling or sad, however you like. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.